Did you ever take a photo that looks amazing in real life, but then on your phone screen, a disaster? Flat lighting, weird colors, and that one blurry friend in the background. We've all been there, but worry not, there are amazing photo editing software that could make any dull picture pop up. In this video, I'm discussing my top 7 picks for photo editing software. Number 1, Pixlr. Pixlr is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to jump right in without downloads. It is a free web-based editor, so just hop onto your browser and start editing. You can do basic edits like cropping and exposure adjustments, or get fancy with filters, text overlays, and even artistic effects. It's a great choice for quick edits or social media prep, but it lacks the power for complex tasks. It's mostly free to use. But some premium features require a subscription of $7.99 a month. Number 2, Photopea. This one is also web-based and is an excellent free alternative to Adobe Photoshop. The interface can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, and the ads can be annoying. But if you need Photoshop-like features without the cost, Photopea is the best. It contains all the advanced tools required for layers, masking, and adjustments. However, since this is a web-based tool, you might experience slower performance with complex edits. Number 3, ACDSee Photo Studio Ultimate. This software is packed with features for advanced editing and management. It's definitely on the pricier side, but offers powerful tools for serious photographers. It's best to get lifetime access for $84.95 instead of paying $89 in subscription fees for just 1 year. The thing I love most about ACDSee is its unmatched performance in photo library management. It's perfect for photographers who have a ton of images to handle. It does have a steeper learning curve, but its comprehensive editing toolkit makes it worthwhile. Number 4, GIMP. It's the GNU Image Manipulation Program. It's an open source and free-to-use tool, and it's nothing like your regular photo editing software. You can totally customize it by using the available options or installing third-party plugins. The possibilities are innumerable with GIMP. You can do high-quality photo manipulation, add graphic elements to your images, or even create original artwork. Owing to all this, it is natural that the learning curve is much steeper than you would like. Number 5, PicsArt. It's different from the rest of the photo editing software on this list. It's a web-based tool and is also available as an app. You will notice that the interface is very similar to Canva. Creating a project is extremely easy. The editing options are limited, but with the Plus plan starting at $5 a month, you get some advanced tools like background removal and AI features. The interface is very easy to navigate. It's basically designed for beginners. If you think GIMP and Photopea are too complex, you will like PicsArt. You will get all the basic editing features like color adjustments and effects for absolutely free. Number 6, Serif Affinity Photo. It gives tough competition to Adobe Photoshop, but is available at a much cheaper price. You can buy this single tool for a one-off price of $70 for Windows PC, or buy the entire Affinity V2 Universal license for $165. It legit gives professional-grade editing on a budget. You'll find everything you need, from precise layer control to focus stacking and advanced brush tools. It might not have the brand recognition of Photoshop, but Affinity Photo delivers exceptional performance at a fraction of the cost. Number 7, RawTherapee. Think of it as a middle ground between Photoshop and Lightroom. But this one is absolutely free. Just like GIMP, you can customize it by adding extensions as per your needs. It is specifically designed for raw photo processing. You can do noise reduction, color correction, and detail enhancement with just a few clicks. Most importantly, it supports non-destructive editing. The interface might feel a bit outdated and complex to navigate. But you can't complain when you are getting the same picture quality as Adobe editing tools. And we have seen 7 best tools for photo editing. If you are a beginner, start with PicsArt or Pixlr, and then move on to complex tools like Photopea. I personally enjoy using Serif Affinity Photo because I have the budget and advanced editing skills to use it. If you are just starting professional photo editing, first practice on free tools like GIMP or RawTherapee. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe for more such amazing recommendations.